Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for discovering the best in product reviews. Today, we have something special for those of you looking for the perfect wedding gift presentation. Let's talk about the Purple Q Crafts Premium White Gift Box with Magnetic Closure, a stunning and elegant choice for your special occasions. If you're searching for a sophisticated way to present your wedding gift, this is the box that will make your present stand out. With its sleek, glossy white finish, it instantly adds a touch of luxury to any gift, making it perfect for weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, or even as a hostess gift. It's not just a box, it's part of the experience, an elegant introduction to whatever amazing gift you've chosen inside. The box itself measures a generous 14 by 9 by 4 inches, providing ample space for a variety of gifts. Whether it's a fine piece of jewelry, a beautiful scarf, or even gourmet treats, this box accommodates it all. It's versatile enough for anything from accessories to small gadgets, all while maintaining that air of sophistication. But what really sets this gift box apart is its magnetic closure. Unlike regular gift boxes that may flap open or require tape to stay closed, the built-in magnets provide a secure and seamless closure, adding an element of surprise when your recipient opens it. This secure closure also keeps the contents safe and ensures the box doesn't accidentally open, keeping everything pristine until the big reveal. Each box also includes thoughtful extras, a stylish ribbon, white tissue paper, and a matching gift card, which allows you to personalize your gift effortlessly. These additions take away the guesswork and ensure that your presentation is flawless and ready to impress. What makes this box truly stand out is its durability. It's made from high-quality materials, making it not just a one-time use item. This box can be reused for other gifting occasions, which makes it a sustainable choice in an era where we all want to be a bit more environmentally conscious. Whether you're gifting something for a wedding, a birthday, or another special occasion, this box is the best way to ensure that your present is wrapped with style and class. So, if you're ready to make your gift presentation stand out and leave a lasting impression, the Purple Q Crafts Premium White Gift Box with Magnetic Closure is the one for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques and reviews here on Product Critique. See you in the next video.